So, good morning, students. So, I hope you all are well at your place. So now let's come to the today's session. So, anyone have remember that what we had done in previous class? Anyone? What we have studied? Yes, students. So now see, here is some question in front of you. So you see and now tell me. So the deforestation leads to habitat rebirth for new species. So it is true or false? Yes. So it is true. Yes, deforestation lead to habitat. No, I mean false. Yes, sorry, I mean false. So the deforestation lead to habitat rebirth for new species. So it is रॉन्ग स्टेटमेंट यस डिफॉरेस्टेशन जो है वो कभी भी जो लाइक न्यू स्पीसीज है अगर वो फॉरेस्ट नहीं होगा लाइक ट्रीज नहीं होगा फॉरेस्ट नहीं होगा तो जो स्पीसीज है जो एनिमल्स है वो कैसे सर्वाइव करेंगे और रिबर्थ कर सकेंगे सो इट इज इम्पॉसिबल यस सो दिस statement is false. So the making building and factory are the main causes of deforestation. So I think you all are, I hope you all are giving the right answer. So it is true or false? Yes. You have only 4 seconds left. So yes, students. So it this statement is, I mean, true. So the making building and factory are the main cause of what deforestation. Deforestation के बहुत सारे ऐसे reason है. Yes, like naturally fires, like cultivation. These are also causes of deforestation. So the buildings, factories, अगर building बना रहे, factories बना रहे, cultivation के लिए land चाहिए तो जो हम क्या करते हैं जो फॉरेस्ट होता है बड़े पैमाने में जो फील्ड्स होता है उसको क्या करते हैं कट करते चले जाते हैं यस सो इट इज ऑल्सो ए वेरी बैड थिंग सो इट इज ट्रू so what do you mean by conservation of animals so what do you understand by this term what do you mean by conservation of animals yes yes okay so you I think you will give you have also give the conservation like conserve करना किसी चीज को animal को बचाना conserve करना yes this term so now see here so the conservation of forest and wildlife okay why the conservation of forest and wildlife is important yes so now see here so the forest and wildlife can be conserved by setting up areas like biosphere, like reserves, wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, etc. Yes, conserved by what? Setting up the area like biosphere, reserves, wildlife sanctuary, national parks. Yes, so the biosphere reserves what are the large area of protected land for conservation of biodiversity. Yes, and the traditional life of the tribal, I mean tribals living there. Yes, जो tribals होते थे जो living ट्राइबल होते थे ट्रेडिशनल लोग वो क्या करते थे वो यहाँ पर ही रहते थे यस बायोस्फीयर रिजर्व सो द नेशनल पार्क आर एरिया रिजर्व फॉर वाइल्ड लाइफ यस वाइल्ड लाइफ जो है वो के थ्रू जो मतलब जो नेशनल पार्क है वो रिजर्व है यस सो वेयर दे कैन फ्रीली यूज द हैबिटेट्स एंड नेचुरल रिसोर्स yes so the जो national park होते हैं they are reserved by for what wildlife and they are can use their area freely and use habitat and also natural resource okay so third one is what wildlife sanctuaries so the what are the wildlife sanctuaries yes so they are the area where animal are protected from any disturbance okay for any disturbance to them or their habitat so the wildlife sanctuary क्या है like एक area है जहाँ पर animal जो है वो protected होते हैं कोई भी तरह का वहाँ disturbance नहीं कुछ नहीं और उसकी जितनी भी habitats है मतलब सभी कुछ वहाँ पर वो आप कह सकते हैं कि वो protected है उस area में okay so now yes so now see here wildlife sanctuary okay, so the wildlife sanctuary are area where animal are protected. Yes, I already told you that the where area where animals are protected from any disturbance to them to their habitat, and the killing or capturing of animal in wildlife sanctuary is strictly prohibited. So what is say here? So now see here this lines, the killing और कैप्चरिंग ऑफ एनिमल इन वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी में जितने भी एनिमल्स है, लाइक कोई भी एनिमल्स को आप वहां पर किल नहीं कर सकते, मार नहीं सकते, पकड़ नहीं सकते, ये बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्टली मना है उस एरिया में, ठीक है, बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्टली देखा जाए तो मना है वाइल्ड लाइफ के किसी भी जानवर को छेड़छाड़ करने से। वहां जितने भी जानवर है, जितने भी एनिमल्स है, लाइक एलिफेंट, monkey or lion, there are lots of animal which is present in wildlife sanctuary, so they are very they are there, so these are the strictly prohibited to capturing these animals. Okay, so yes, so now here is one question in front of you. So the wildlife is important for us to maintain balance in nature. Yes, so it is true or false? So I will give you the 10 second. Yes, so it is true. Wildlife is important. Why? Because it maintain the balance of nature. Nature में जो भी balance हो रहा है लाइक अगर बैलेंस नहीं होगा, लायन नहीं होगा तो डियर को कौन खाएगा, डियर नहीं होगा तो जो एक्सेस लाइक प्लांट्स वगैरह है उसे कौन खाएगा, लाइक छोटे छोटे इंसेक्ट्स वगैरह है, अगर लाइक बर्ड्स नहीं होंगे, ईगल नहीं होंगे, तो इस प्रकार इस टाइप से आप कह सकते हैं कि जो वाइल्ड लाइफ है बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है नेचर को बैलेंस करने के लिए. यस, so this statement is true. So now second one is, it is not important for us to conserve the forest and its wildlife. So it is true or false? So read carefully the question. So it is false. Why? Because it not important. ये तो गलत बात है ना, ये तो important है हमारे लिए कि हमारा जो वाइल्ड लाइफ है, जो फॉरेस्ट है, उसे हमें कंजर्व करना है, नहीं करना. It is not true, it is false. Yes, we all have responsibility to conserve our forest, to conserve our wildlife. Yes, our all responsibility. So yes, this statement is false. So now here is one question. What do you mean by national park? Yes. What do you think? What do you mean that? What is the meaning of national park? What do you mean that this term national? Yes, national park. So yes, now see here. So now see here. So national park. Yes, so the national park are the area reserved for wildlife where they can freely use the habitat and natural resource. Example, Satpura National Park is the first reserve forest in India. In India, there is a park which is situated in India. There is a park which is name is Satpura National Park. That is the first reserve forest. Okay, first reserve forest. So reserve के टर्म से ही समझ में आ रहा होगा कि ये रिजर्व किया हुआ है किसी के थ्रू, तो किसके थ्रू, तो एनिमल्स के लिए, ठीक है. सो द नेशनल पार्क आर रिजर्व बाय द वाइल्ड लाइफ वेयर दे कैन मूव फ्रीली, नो एनी रिस्ट्रिक्शन, दे एनीवेयर दे गो एंड डू वॉट एवर animals want to do that. Okay, so there is the example of national park is what? Satpura National Park is the first reserve forest in India. Okay, so now here is see that flora and fauna. So what is flora? Flora are the plant found in a particular area. So okay, flora are the plant found in a particular area, like we can say that एक particular plant जो एक area में ही मिलता, so that is called what? Flora. And fauna are the animal found in a particular area. Okay, so now I think you are now you clear that. So the example, the flora of Panchmari consist of salt, teak, wild mango, jamun, silver, ferns, etc. Okay, Panchmari consists what? Teak, wild mango. So these are some example of flora, and there is some example of another, like the fauna of Panchmani consists of what? Wild dogs, see in this picture: wild dog, cheetah, I mean chital, wolf, leopard, blue bull, barking, deer, and etc. These are some example of flora and fauna. So I think you clear that what is flora. Flora is what that the plant found in a particular area, and fauna is what that animal found in a particular area. Okay, so there are some example of the flora example like wild mango, jamun in Panchmani, Panchmani, and the fauna in the Panchmani they consist what cheetah, wolf, leopard, wild dog. These are some example of flora and fauna. Okay. So now here is some question in front of you. So the flora referred to and fauna referred to. So you will give me the answer. I will give you the 10 second. Yes. Yes, very good student. So the flora refer to what? Plants which is present in particular area, and the fauna is what? Fauna is the any related with animal which is found in a particular area. So the first reserve forest of India is, yes. So first reserve forest of India is, which one is the first reserve forest in India? Yes. Yes, very good students. I hope you all are also right. So the answer is what? Satpura National Park. Okay. So now biosphere reserves. Yes, so next one is biosphere reserve. So what is biosphere reserve? Biosphere reserve are the large area of protected land for conservation of biodiversity. Okay, and the traditional life of the tribals living there. Yes, and the biodiversity is the varieties of plant. What is the biodiversity? Biodiversity means what? Yes, there is a diversity of varieties of plant, animals, microorganisms found in that area. Okay, so the Panchmari Biosphere Reserve consists of national park called Satpura and two wildlife sanctuaries called what? Bori and Panchmari. Okay, so I think you all are clear with that. So the biodiversity is what? The variety of plants and animal and microorganism found in a one area. Okay, so the endemic species are those species of plant and animals that are found only in particular area. We can say that particular area and not found anywhere else. Yes, and example like sal and wild mango are the endemic flora of Panchmari. Bison, Indian skate, squirrel, and flying squirrel are the endemic fauna of this area. Okay, so I think you all are clear with this. Fine, flora, fauna, biodiversity. So the species of plant and animal which are found exclusively in a particular area are called what? Yes, are called endemic species. So then now the recapitulation time. So yes, students. So the flow we have study about in area about the national park, wildlife sanctuary. So the flora related to plant and fauna related to what? Animals, and the wildlife is important for us to maintain balance of nature. So this is also true. So now here is one question. Here is homework in front of you. So the write five national park and wildlife sanctuary of India and the place where it is situated. So this is your homework. So do your homework carefully and thank you. We will meet again in next class. So okay.